class. First, it is the class of the previous class we will study health and disease. Now, this continuation of this topic, that topic is malaria, disease malaria. Disease malaria is caused by neither virus, neither a bacteria. It is caused by a parasite, protozoa. Protozoa, which is a parasite. First, this disease contains two cycles. One is asexual cycle and another is sexual cycle. And it contains its two hosts. Host means the reservoir. जोटिकी the protozoa stay. So first, the asexual life cycle starts in human body, that is man. First, the sporozoid of malaria parasite, or the parasite name is Plasmodium vivax, attack to the male RBC. RBC means red blood corpuscles. After attacking of RBC, it is travel through the bloodstream and goes inside our liver. It stays in the liver 24 to 48 hours, then starts its parasitic activity. That means chilling of body. Then the different symptoms: headache, severe paining, itching of body. Then next is the temperature is rising up to 104 degree centigrade. Body temperature will rising. Similarly, after attacking the liver, the RBC and liver, the parasite goes to amoeboid stage. Its nucleus is changed into round to amoeboid stage. After that, hemozoid granules, means the dotted granules is known as hemozoid granules are produced. In human body, it produces three cycles. Number one is pre-merozoid, exomerozoid and merozoid stage. Within three stages, the merozoid stage, the erythrocytic cell is converted into rounded structure and produce schizozoid stage. So this one is the first, the sporozoid attack to the RBC, then it undergoes liver, then converted into amoeboid stage, then hemozoid granules are produced, then comes to erythrocytic stage. After erythrocytic stage, the schizozoids are produced. With the help of schizozoids, it produces two types of gametes. One is known as macrogametocyte, another is microgametocyte. Inside the body of human being, it completes all its life cycle and produces microgametes and macrogametes. After the microgametes and macrogametes are produced, when a female Anopheles mosquito, the female Anopheles mosquito, when bite to the human body, infected human body, it takes the saliva along with micro and macro gametes. So, the female Anopheles mosquito is known as the vector or carrier of this micro and macro gametes of the gametocyte of malaria parasite. After the macro and micro gametes goes into the mosquito body, inside the mosquito body, the zygote is produced. the macro and micro gametes fuse with each other, then zygote is produced. Then the zygote is undergoes meiosis and different sporozoids are again produced. So the life cycle continues. It is the infected malaria parasite body of human body contains this stage, and after mosquito bite, the micro macro gametes fuse, zygote produce, again produce sporozoid. So the life cycle continues in two host cell. So when the mosquito bite another healthy human body, the saliva of mosquito contains the sporozoid and it penetrates the sporozoid into a healthy human body. So the healthy human body again started with malaria disease. So prevention, again the saliva of the malaria parasite or mosquito, the saliva along with saliva, it contains anticoagulant. तो हमर ह्यूमन बॉडी रे एंटीकोगुलेंट कोन करबो हमर ब्लड को केमिति क्लॉट न करबो. सो सैलिवा कंटेन्स salivary gland of mosquito contains anticoagulant. So this is the life cycle, total life cycle of malaria parasite. After that, the prevention is spraying of DDT, number 1, spraying of DDT and proper sanitization is necessary. Number 2, use mosquito net. Proper draining facility is necessary. This is the prevention. And the medicine is used quinine, chloroquine, pramoquine is necessary to cure the malaria disease. So all about the malaria parasite. Then another disease is filaria. Filaria is also caused by a worm, and it also contains two life cycles. One is man and another is a mosquito. In malaria parasite travels through Anopheles mosquito, and in filaria the mosquito name is Culex mosquito. The worm is two types. One is male worm and another is female worm. The male worm is smaller as compared to the female worm, and it contains a coiled body. Whereas female is long and slender as compared to male worm. So the transport of mosquito name is known as Culex mosquito, which is known as a vector. The causing agent is Vaucheria ventrostri. The parasite name filaria worm is caused by the parasite name is known as Vaucheria ventrostri. It is divided into male and female character. When the male and female is healthy human. The Vaucheria bankruptcy undergoes the lymph system attack to the limb and lymph system of human body. Lymph is also known as liquid connective tissue. We know. So lymph gland को attack करियो Vaucheria bankruptcy. After that, the male and female are copulate inside the lymph gland and produce a larva. Name is known as microphyllary. The copulatory organ is known as lymph gland and it produces microphyllary. After microphyllary are produced, Equillex mosquito come and bite the infected human body and take the microphyllary into the mosquito gut along with saliva. So, inside the mosquito gut, the microphyllary is developed and hatched. The larva also produces the egg, and the egg is undergoes and hatched inside the mosquito gut and produce female and female worm again. So, in mosquito gut is known as the secondary host and the primary host is known as human body. So, what kind of symptoms are seen in filaria? First is enlargement symptom. First is enlargement of lymph and lymph system. Then enlargement of male genital organ. So due to enlargement, this disease also known as elephantiasis disease. So these all are the symptoms. Then third one is high temperature up to 104 degree Fahrenheit during night. The copulation takes place during night, and during night the chilling of body, thanda lagibo, severe chilling, nausea, vomiting, all takes place during night. During night, the larva comes superficial, means upar ko pade blood vessel, and during daytime it is beneath, underworm or below the blood vessel the larva is situated. These all are the symptoms. Then different antibiotics prevention can take place using different antibiotics, proper sanitization and proper hygiene is necessary to cure this disease. So these two diseases contains two types of reservoir. One is human body and second is the mosquito. So this is all about the malaria and filarial disease.